Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to go ahead and be showing you how to go ahead and fix the problem that you might be having with your iPhone settings if you keep getting the error that no SIM card is installed. This is a very simple thing to do, so make sure to watch this quick and easy video till the very end and follow my steps correctly so you can make sure this works the same for you and you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. Let's go and take a look at how to fix this problem. So the first thing we can do is go ahead and open up the settings on our iPhone. So if you do not already have them opened up, just go ahead to the home page of your iPhone and tap on the settings icon right here. After tapping on it, it's going to open up your settings right here, from where we can get started browsing all the settings that we have for iPhone. So to fix the no SIM card install error, basically sometimes it's as simple as just resetting the physical SIM card. So you're going to remove it from your iPhone, clean the SIM card, and then reinsert it into your iPhone. After that, you can restart your iPhone, reset the device, and take a look if it works. Now, if it still isn't working, what we can do is go ahead and software check our iPhone. So you want to check for carrier settings updates. You can go into general right here, and by clicking on general, you can go ahead and take a look at all the software updates if you need any for your device, and if there are any pending, as this could usually fix any problems that cause with any iPhone update. After that, you can reset your network settings. So go to the general options, and then you can go ahead and reset your phone as well, and go into mobile service right here to go ahead and take a look at how to go ahead and reset your data settings. Try reinserting your SIM card after that, and usually this should fix any problems you have. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel. So thanks for watching, take care, and bye.